Gold daily forecast March 14th, FXEmpire.com. The gold markets did very little during the session on Wednesday. As you can see, we bounced up, hit the $1,600 level, and fell slightly. The markets have been relatively quiet here recently, forming what we believe is a bit of accumulation. And the reason why we think this is a bit different than some of these other levels is that we are sitting just above the 1,550 level, which has acted so supportively lately. And then, of course, below that, the $1,500 level, which is massive in its implications. In fact, if we do get a move below the $1,500 level on a daily close, at that point in time, we'd have to be short and selling gold. We would have to think that level should attract a lot of buyers, and as a result, are pretty much banking on that level holding. We prefer to look at gold more from a longer term trade, and as a result, we don't play the futures as often as we would with other commodities. We use it to boost returns and presently hold the GLD ETF as well as physical gold, and actually prefer that type of trade, a longer term kind of uh, almost a retirement trade in the sense that you're holding on to it. Short term opportunities present themselves sometimes, and of course, we'll use a futures market for that. Right now, we don't necessarily see a great buy signal, but we do see this area as being one that the market will more than likely launch from. Too many central banks out there are printing currency to think that it won't eventually catch up to them. It may take a while. We might go sideways for the rest of the year. Who knows? But in reality, again, this is not a short term trade. So, truthfully, worrying about it isn't doing much good. We do believe that eventually, with the central banks behaving the way they are, and all of the major ones are either expanding monetary policy or getting ready to, it's only a matter of time before traders will want hard assets again. Ironically, depending on the currency you're trading against, can make a huge difference. Gold's at pretty much an all-time high against the Japanese yen, whilst against the US dollar, we're testing support. So for that, you have to read into it what you will.